the 2001 Mercedes SL 500. Powered by a 5-liter V8 engine. With an automatic transmission, this rear-wheel drive roadster gets up to 23 miles per gallon. This vehicle features power steering, power windows, and alloy wheels. Safety features include dual front airbags, slip control, and 4-wheel ABS. Comfort and convenience features include telescoping wheel, premium sound, and leather seats. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.